Ever pondered how and when robotics came into existence? The evolution of robotics is as fascinating as the robots themselves. Let's take a journey back to the 1950s, a time when the world was just beginning to glimpse the potential of automation. The inception of robotics can be traced back to this era, in the bustling factories of General Motors. The star of our story is a hulking metallic creation known as Unimate. Unimate wasn't just another factory machine, it was the world's first programmable robot, a pioneer that would forever change the landscape of industry. Unimate's primary role was handling hot die-cast parts and welding them onto car bodies. It was a tough job, one that posed significant risks to human workers, but Unimate was built for it. With its hydraulic arms and programmable controls, Unimate redefined efficiency and safety in the manufacturing sector. The brains behind this groundbreaking invention, none other than George Devil, a self-taught inventor with a flair for tinkering, and Joseph Engelberger, a visionary engineer often hailed as the father of robotics. Together, they revolutionized the way we perceive and utilize machines. Devil's contribution was the design and concept of a programmable machine, while Engelberger saw the business potential in Devil's idea and became the driving force in commercializing Unimate. Their collaboration was a perfect blend of invention and entrepreneurship, a synergy that paved the way for the robotics industry. Unimate's debut in the General Motors factory in New Jersey in 1961 was a landmark event. It was the moment when robots moved from the realm of science fiction into our everyday reality. It was the dawn of a new age, an age where machines could be programmed to perform complex tasks, replacing human labor in dangerous and repetitive jobs. And so, the stage was set for the countless robotic innovations that would follow in Unimate's footsteps. From assembly lines to space exploration, from healthcare to our homes, robots have since become an integral part of our lives. The birth of Unimate marked the onset of a new era, an era of robotics. With the birth of robotics, new possibilities emerged, even beyond our planet. The cosmos, once a realm of pure speculation and science fiction, was now within our grasp, thanks to the power of robotics. The first significant use of robotics in space exploration began with the Soviet Union's Luna 2 mission in 1959. This was the first man-made object to reach the moon, marking a new era of space exploration. It wasn't manned by astronauts, but by robots capable of enduring the harsh conditions of space and providing valuable data back to Earth. The use of robotics in space exploration didn't stop at the moon. Robots have since played a key role in exploring Mars, our neighboring red planet. The Mars rovers, for instance, are essentially robots. These autonomous vehicles have been navigating the harsh Martian terrain since 2004, collecting data and taking images to help us understand more about Mars's geology and climate. Robots have also been used to repair and maintain satellites in orbit. The Canadian Space Agency's Canadarm2, a robotic system on the International Space Station, is a prime example. It has been instrumental in docking spacecraft, moving supplies, and even assisting astronauts during spacewalks. Robots have also ventured further into the cosmos. The Voyager spacecraft, for instance, are essentially robots. Launched in the late 70s, these unmanned explorers have traveled billions of miles from Earth, sending back data that has transformed our understanding of the solar system and beyond. It's clear that robots have become an integral part of space exploration. They have been our eyes and hands in the universe, enduring extreme conditions, gathering data, and paving the way for human exploration. Robots have allowed us to explore distant planets, moons, and even asteroids, helping us to understand our place in the universe. Robots became our eyes and hands in the universe, exploring places humans couldn't reach. From factories in space, robots found their way into our homes. Imagine a time when robots were fantastical creations of science fiction. Now, fast forward to 2002, and a little disc-shaped device known as the Roomba, the first commercially successful robotic vacuum, started whirring its way around our living rooms. The era of personal robots had begun. Since then, the development of personal robots has been nothing short of remarkable. They've evolved from being simple, single-function devices to versatile, multi-purpose machines. Today, our homes are becoming increasingly automated, with robots not just vacuuming our floors, but also mowing our lawns, cleaning our pools, and even cooking our meals. But it's not just about doing chores. Robots are becoming companions too. They're reading to our kids, entertaining our pets, and even providing company to the elderly. They're learning to respond to our voices, recognize our faces, and adapt to our habits. And it's not just in the home where personal robots are making a difference. They're helping us at work too. From robotic baristas brewing the perfect cup of coffee to robotic assistants organizing our schedules, the possibilities are endless. Of course, this rise of personal robots hasn't been without its challenges. There have been concerns about privacy, job displacement, and even the potential for robots to develop too much autonomy. But despite these issues, it's clear that robots are here to stay. Why? Because they're making our lives easier. They're freeing up our time, allowing us to focus on what truly matters. They're improving our productivity, helping us achieve more than we ever thought possible. They're enriching our lives, bringing us joy and convenience in ways we could only have dreamed of. The rise of personal robots is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a story of how we've harnessed technology to improve our lives, and it's a story that's still being written with every new robot that rolls off the assembly line. Robots, once confined to factories and space, now help with our everyday chores. Robots aren't just making life easier, they're saving lives too. The healthcare sector has experienced a monumental shift with the advent of robotics, a transition that began in earnest at the dawn of the new millennium. In the year 2000, the Food and Drug Administration approved the Da Vinci surgical system, marking the beginning of a robotic revolution in healthcare. The Da Vinci surgical system is a marvel of modern engineering, allowing surgeons to perform complex procedures with a level of precision that was previously unimaginable. This robotic system magnifies the surgeon's hand movements, reducing the possibility of human error and improving patient outcomes. From delicate heart surgeries to intricate neurosurgeries, robots have become an integral part of the operating room, assisting in procedures that demand the utmost precision and control. But it's not just in the operating room where robotics have made an impact. They're also transforming patient care and rehabilitation. Robotic exoskeletons, for instance, are helping individuals with spinal cord injuries regain mobility, offering a new lease on life. In hospitals and care homes, robots are assisting in lifting and moving patients, reducing the strain on healthcare workers and improving the quality of care. Robotic prosthetics are another area where technology is making a significant difference. These advanced devices use sensors to detect muscle movements, allowing amputees to control their prosthetics in a way that closely mimics natural limb function. This has not only improved the quality of life for many individuals, but also opened up new possibilities, from playing musical instruments to engaging in sports. Furthermore, the emergence of AI-driven robots is set to revolutionize healthcare. These robots can monitor patients, administer medication, and even predict health issues before they become serious, paving the way for personalized and predictive healthcare. In the field of healthcare, robots have proven to be more than just machines. They're life changers, caregivers, and miracle workers, bringing hope and healing to millions. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, there's no telling where the robotic revolution in healthcare will take us next. In the field of healthcare, robots have proven to be more than just machines. If this is what the past and present hold, can you imagine what the future of robotics might look like? Indeed, the future of robotics is brimming with possibilities, and we are only at the tip of the iceberg. One of the most anticipated developments is the integration of artificial intelligence with robotics. This fusion is expected to create intelligent robots that can learn, adapt, and make decisions independently. Imagine a robot that can not only vacuum your living room, but also learn your daily routine, anticipate your needs, and adapt its tasks accordingly. Another exciting prospect is the development of humanoid robots. While we have seen prototypes, the future might bring us robots that are even more human-like in appearance and capabilities. These robots could potentially perform tasks ranging from household chores to more complex jobs like caregiving or even social companionship. The future also holds the promise of increased usage of robots in various sectors. We already see robots in factories, healthcare, and personal use. However, we might witness a surge in their usage in sectors like agriculture, where they can assist in tasks like planting and harvesting, or in environmental conservation, where they can help monitor and protect ecosystems. But with these advancements come challenges and ethical considerations. As robots become more autonomous and integrated into our daily lives, issues around privacy, security, and job displacement become more pertinent. It is crucial to develop frameworks that balance the benefits of robotics with these ethical considerations. So, as we stand on the precipice of this new era, we must not only marvel at the technological advancements, but also ponder on the societal implications. Robotics has the potential to revolutionize our world, but it is up to us to ensure that this revolution is for the better. As we move forward, the evolution of robotics continues to redefine our lives, promising a future where humans and robots coexist in a more integrated manner.